so my viral messy bun, I think I found a way to explain it that might make some of you people who still just cannot get it finally be able to get it. So here we go. When you tie your hair tie, you have your hair tie in one hand, and we're not doing the bun yet. We're just gonna tie a ponytail because I know you can tie a ponytail. You have your hair tie in your hand, you have your hair in your other hand, and what do? You pull your hair through, you flip the hair tie over, and you pull your hair through again, correct? That's how we do it. You're essentially doing the same thing. You just want to take your ponytail with you. So we've got our hair tie in our hand, we've got our ponytail in our hair, we're gonna grab, we're gonna bring it over, and instead of pulling our ponytail all the way through before we twist the hair tie, we're gonna twist the hair tie. But as we twist the hair tie, you just wanna take that hair with you so it does the loop with you, and then you plop it on top. And then that's when you pull all your hair apart. I'll do it one more time, super slow. But honestly, I think doing it slow is harder, but everyone always says, please do it slow motion. So I will do it as slow as I can, but honestly, slower is actually harder than just doing it. You already have the muscle memory if you can tie a ponytail. So here we go, nice and slow. There we go. I'm not going to show you a back view, how to do it from the back, because I've done that a million times already. If you want to see it from the back as well, you can go to my YouTube, or there's a couple videos pinned on my TikTok. My YouTube has a whole playlist of buns on it, and this one is the most heavily featured, and it shows it from the front, from the back, with explanations, fast, slow. There's a whole 12-minute video on it. So just keep practicing, but if you can tie a hair tie, you can definitely do this bun. I promise.